Ghana ni maame na esese ade hwe wa young lady friend Tanu woye Ghana ni na minim se san Ghana fo no ebi ehyedo sa wayi sika twitwitwitwu 1.1 billion e de akọ eye abrochimemo akoye BBL. Wow, best so be like your attention TV and subscribe about your channel so na wasan so a share dia mai na wa ponchi ye bell no so send ye di bibia to mo kenkran na te say ama information da na wa kofa phone no na ye di bi fro atum sister ya wo ma bako enum na wo say ma de wo ye den asa wo a enema kakra ebesesa e wo hu wo ye fu bom kra onya yi adekra na te say ye fu na sa pompi aba te say wo ye ho hwia body no oye dan ya esesa kakra na minim se ni kunu so e ma ne pressure se won ko mia ne yefun so won ko yesi ono ase wo hwe ne honam no body no emfa papa ase ne to afam ne yefun apie ne na chese wo hu ne yie yenti wo kukuru sika wei ekoye France ma wo koye surgery eye tummy tuck no wo ko taki se wo hwe ne ekoso video no so wo tu ne na kra yeye si yesuso ne mo ne yeye wie no na wo ka Ghana kasa mu se sa ade no yefunu no mu se yefunu ye miemu a ya twesrade ne nyina fi yefunu ne na ton de se ne afam no sa na to no afam a wo su se wo anya ton wo magye ne sika kwa enti minim sesesi a osan be ye eyesusu de akọ France wa akọ ton so dia na so ono acheche na wo wire se yefunu atwekọ dia wo befa eton saa asese wa ba Ghana wo no hye eye anaso hye obi enkran walefo nkran se wa wo na wa hu se body na sa na wo sa sike ya wo sere wa tag no wo do be ko France na che se wa ko twetwetwe srade ni bi e de egu wa nantu e na woto ma ye hwe ne mra.
Yeah. Totally 7. Yeah. When you see oil yeah. Just all 7 hours. Are you snapping my slave body? Slave body? Because I am. Look up. Yes. Yeah. Wait, I'm trying to stretch myself. Okay.
You doing also?
Yeah. Are you ready? That. Take a step. Now you ready? Okay. After that. Try now. Okay? Okay. Yeah. Good. Okay. Yeah, I know. Okay. You will come back. Yeah. But first time we need to come back. Okay. Now, take a step. Slow. Take me. Yeah, good. Perfect. I believe you so much. Yeah. Walking is not a problem. You wanna see mirror? Your body?
You cannot see much.
I'll show you though. Yeah. Okay. Which one am I going to do? Do you want to put this or I remove this?
No, it's okay.
It's okay, right? I'll show you though. Yeah. Okay. Which one am I going Do you want to put this or
Man, I bet say when you were watching for Allah.
yes, it got to be a sheer, sister. What's that?
But 5 hours surgery, dear Charlie. And so we'll go through a friend and say medical, so no more check say BBI on point. Because 5 hours.
Who makes you disqualify or cry for surgery? You can be disqualified. So, any conditioner, any surgery name far, you will be disqualified. Do you understand?
They will give your money back to you.
Of course.
No, the thing is that, listen, they don't even take money from you until you go there, have all your checkup and everything. They book you for surgery, yeah? They tell you when you are booked, or you better still, you discuss with them your booking for surgery. If that is done, you buy your tickets according to you go. Then you have all the checkups necessary. Before Seobekono, you have online consultation, not with the surgeon himself, with the coordinator, where you'll be asked to fill a form with different questions on it. The sound of the original sound. You go to my page and see.
Okay, oh, it
Please read
looks good though.
comments.
It
As you
looks
read
good.
comments, why
Trust
don't you
me.
request and come? Thank you so much.
Yeah, it looks good. I want to be in you guys' shoes, but when you guys talking about trust me, I feel like running away. But it looks good. I want to join, but I'm scared.
Well, if you're scared, it's not for you because I'm telling you it's painful. And you're going to be in pain for like a long period of time.
You get
That one I can
pain
tell you for
in your
sure now.
breast, your stomach, your
How much did
back.
it cost? 7,430 euro. I
Oh
want to, but I'm
wow.
scared. Well,
Yeah, right,
put
but you
yourself
did it.
together. Yeah.
I saw your videos, man. You did a good job.
Thank you. Thank you
It
so
hasn't
much.
been.
Yeah, that's nice, right?
Hello?
Yeah, okay. If you won't drop me, why? At
All
least.
right. All right,
Thank
Sonia.
you.
All right.
Who
Take
knows?
care.
Bye.
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 All right. So, Auntie Angie.
saa na wiase pɛ saa sika obi pɛ de ayɛ adeɛ kɛseɛ bi anaasɛ de aboa na japadeɛ bi de ayɛ bibi ɛsombo obi nso anya de akɔyɛ sɛbe na to obi ndidiye ana odin o nyame nkwa na yɛbɛte nase enye nipa makra